Today, we're gonna be testing TikTok pranks on our friends and family. And we're gonna be seeing which ones work, so that way you guys can try the pranks as well. Let's try to get this video to 100,000 likes. And also in our last video, we mentioned that we're gonna be doing a Zoom call with 10 of you guys. All you had to do if you wanted to join the Zoom call was subscribe, turn on our post notifications, and comment down done when you're done. And also one last thing, we've been having some issues contacting you guys for the Zoom calls, so if you guys can, send us a screenshot of you commenting done when you are done and subscribing to our channel to our Instagrams at I'm Alex Stokes or at I'm Alan Stokes, and that way it will be easier for us to contact you and pick out the winners. All right, Alan, put this blindfold on and tell me what sound you hear.
All right. Alex, I swear to God if you hit me or something.
I'm not, I promise you I'm not gonna hit you, okay? All right, first sound.
Cat.
All right, second sound.
Dog.
Okay, all right, third sound. Alright, so now I know Alex is gonna be expecting me to prank him back, so I'm gonna have to do something that doesn't make him suspicious. So for this prank, I kinda came up with it on my own. I'm gonna make him think we're filming like a TikTok, where we're trying to like throw the Mentos in the Coke. And the second one of us makes the Mentos in the Coke, I'm gonna grab the bottle so it can explode on his face. Alright, are you sure that's gonna be enough?
Yes, I only need one. I can make this on the first try. You already know me.
Okay, so the second we make it, I'm actually gonna close it though, so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, ready? 3, 2, and 1. See, I told you! I told you, it's pretty hard. Uh-oh. Alex, what is that? Are you kidding me? Alex, my elbow is broken! Oh my God! What in the world? Why are you crying? Bro, are you okay? I couldn't breathe. So basically for this next prank, we've already done it before, but all you're gonna need is a water balloon, a Pringles can, and here's the video right here. And that should happen. Step 1, you want to start by filling this balloon up with water. And then you place the Pringles can underneath the water balloon so it fills up over it. All right, that should be good. You want to put the tip of the balloon over the can of Pringles like this, and then put the lid over it just like that. Yo, do you want some Pringles?
Which one?
I have one.
Green.
Oh, okay.
Wait, why are you recording this? What's in that?
Pringles is what's inside. Bro,
Oh, and you're just gonna record me open and eat.
Bro, there's nothing inside, I swear. Open it and find out, bro.
It's a bug.
Andrew, no! Whoa!
Might as well just hop in the shower now.
Whoa!
And now I'm wet and I'm gonna have to sleep like this.
Okay, so for this next prank, I'm gonna be fake shaving Alex's head. Except I'm gonna take it to the next level, because I'm actually cutting a piece off of my own hair, and I'm gonna be using this right here, this fake razor. And then when he sees my hair there, he's gonna think I actually shaved off his head. I'm actually dedicated for this, because I'm actually cutting off a piece of my hair for this. There you go. Okay. This should be fine, right? All right, now let's go see how he reacts. Bro! Alan, what was that for?
Dude, your hair's too long.
Alan, why? I already don't have any sideburns. Alan, what was the point of doing that? Oh, it looks better now. Alan, no it doesn't. Your hair is too long. Alan, stop, bro. Alex, that's my hair. No, it's not. I swear it's my hair. I swear that's my hair. That is my hair. Alex, look, it's fake. It's a fake razor. I cut my hair. That's my hair, not your hair. Just go back to sleep. Okay, so this prank right here is one of my favorites. I've done it to him before, and here's the video right here. All right, Alan, so I'm gonna count down from 3, and I'm gonna release this phone from the wall. Now, if you can catch it, then you can have the phone, all right? 3, 2, 1. What the? Okay, so we have some double-sided tape right here, and yeah, we're gonna be putting it in the back of my phone, like this, and yeah. No one's gonna be able to catch this phone. Okay, so we have Andrew here.
What's up?
Okay, so here's the deal, Andrew. If you can catch my phone with your head, I will let you keep my phone and read all of my text messages.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Okay, all right. I'm gonna count down from 3, okay? 3, 2, 1. Hold on, I thought you were taking my phone. Come on, Andrew.
Okay, is that supposed to be funny or was that
It was
prank?
funny. It was funny. It worked. You banged that so hard, I think there's a hole in the wall now. Look at that. Okay, so we're here with Tanner now, and Tanner, the rule is on a count of 3, I gotta hear a slurp.
I gotta hear a slurp, alright?
I feel like everybody loves Tanner. Do you guys remember him from the last video? Who remembers him from that video?
What the heck? Hey, come out!
Alright, you ready for this? Keep in mind that your phone's gonna drop really quick, so you're gonna have to be quick with your head. Alright, you ready? You seen this? Alright, then let's see if you can catch it, alright? 3, 2, 1. Oh! He actually broke it! Oh, wait a second. Are you okay? That wasn't supposed to happen. Anything is Anderson. Are you okay? Are you okay?
You knew about this, bro?
Okay. You didn't tell him? I'm in my bag. Okay, so Alan's in a shower right now, and I'm gonna be trying this prank on him, which I know works because he's actually done it to me before, but here's the prank right here. Okay, so I was in a shower, and then he flushes the toilet, leaves. Okay, for those who don't get it, by him flushing the toilet, what that did was it made the water really cold. So now that he's in the shower, I'm gonna get revenge on him. Let's try it out. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's singing inside right now. But it's not locked. All of me, and you give me all. What the? Whoa! What the heck, bro? What? Alan, is everything okay?
Bro, why is the water so cold?
Alan, what's going on?
Alex, why is the water so cold? Bro!
Alan, hurry up! Stop, you're showering too long. The water got cold because you're showering too long, okay? Okay, so for this next prank, we're gonna be FaceTiming our friends and telling them that we're super busy right now and that we can't talk. It's basically gonna confuse them because it's just gonna be really awkward, and also because we called them first. Here we go. Hey, can we actually call you back? We're actually really busy right now.
What, you just called?
What? We called? No, wait, let me call you right back. We're busy right now.
I'm not the busy one, so I'll call you guys later.
We'll call you back. Okay, bye. She was like, what? You called me?
Okay, but Alan, you do it. Okay, say, hey. Okay,
You do it.
No,
You talk to her. You talk to her. It's weird if I do it. No, you do it. It's not, bro. Bro, how did you call her? You do it for real, dude. Hey, Carrington, can we call you right back? We're really busy right now.
You don't love me no more. What's wrong with you?
I'll call you right back. I'm busy, okay?
No,
You don't-
called me.
You don't care about us anymore. But okay, I'll call you right back. We're busy. We'll call you right back. We're busy.
Why are they annoying? What are they doing?
We're gonna have to call her back now. Okay, so we're gonna FaceTime one more friend. Let's FaceTime Andrew. What the?
Why are y'all calling me? I'm right here.
Bro, we're busy right now. Can we like hang out later? Yeah, we're busy. Wait, who was that? Oh my god! Alright, so for this next prank, all you need is an egg. And yeah, let's show you guys the video. Okay.
Alright, ready, dude? Yeah. I'm for the egg right here. Okay. It's gonna fit, I promise. It's not gonna look like it's gonna fit.
Okay, now what?
Okay, now you're stuck.
What?
You're stuck.
Come get the egg.
Bye.
Cash!
Alright, so we have our friend Tanner right here. And okay, so basically what you need to do is you need to get behind this door, right here. Yeah, like this, and stick your hand through the door. Like that, yeah, your fingers.
Okay.
And then hold on to this egg real quick. Hold on, you got it?
Got it.
Alright, and now you're stuck. It's literally impossible. Like, you actually didn't know what was going on though, right?
I didn't know what was going on. What do you mean? You told me to stick my hand through.
As you guys can tell, that one obviously worked, so yeah.
Wait, I bet I can get it like without like.
Bro, Andrew's just volunteering himself. Fuck you volunteering yourself, Andrew. Hands through the door. Andrew! Broke the egg! Clean it up!
Oh.
Alan, it's fake! It's fake! There's a camera right there. Oh my gosh, Alan. Alright, bro, I knew it was a prank. You know how I knew that? Because you placed that jug right there, and of course I'm gonna get revenge on you, dude. Oh my god, you busted a ceiling! Oh my gosh, you busted a ceiling, Alan. Whoa, you busted my head open. You busted my head open! Alright, so that's gonna be it for the pranks. As you can tell, a lot of them work. So yeah, feel free to try them out and comment down below if it works for you or not. Don't forget guys, let's try to get this video to 100,000 likes. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you guys next time.